Why did Toyota just recall roughly 655,000 Camrys around the world? The Camry has spent decades building a reputation for being the sensible choice. Reliable, practical, comfortable, and about as dramatic as a refrigerator. So when Toyota recalls hundreds of thousands of them, you naturally start wondering, what on earth went wrong? The problem is surprisingly small, and that's exactly what makes it interesting. Toyota says certain 2025 and 2026 Camry vehicles can have a problem with the 7-inch instrument cluster display behind the steering wheel. Under certain conditions, the display may fail during startup and go completely blank. And when that happens, this isn't just a screen going dark. Certain safety-related functions can also be affected. The turn signals and hazard lights may not work, and some warning sounds, including seatbelt reminders and the smart key reminder, may also fail. In the United States, the recall covers more than 508,000 Camry Hybrids. Globally, the total is approximately 655,000 vehicles. And here's the strange part. The Camry is exactly the kind of car you wouldn't expect to make headlines for something like this. It's not some experimental supercar with 20 computers fighting each other. It's a Camry, a car whose entire reputation is basically built around doing its job without causing drama. But modern cars have changed. A new Camry isn't just an engine, 4 wheels, and a steering wheel. It's packed with electronic systems, displays, software, sensors, warning systems, and computers that all have to communicate with each other. And sometimes the tiniest piece of software can create a surprisingly large problem. According to US safety documents, the issue involves a specific software configuration in the 7-inch combination meter. During startup, an error can occur that causes the display to become blank. The same failure can also prevent the turn signals, hazard lamps, and certain warning buzzers from functioning. Think about how weird that is. You could start your supposedly reliable Toyota, look down at the dashboard, and instead of seeing the information you expect, you get nothing. And the bigger concern isn't that the screen looks annoying, it's that the missing display and indicators can create a safety problem. If your turn signal doesn't work, other drivers may not know what you're about to do. If hazard lights don't activate, you may have less ability to warn other road users about a stopped or disabled vehicle. And if certain warnings don't sound, the driver may not receive information they normally rely on. That's why something that sounds like a simple screen problem can become a safety recall. But Toyota's solution isn't to replace the entire car. Thankfully, it's much simpler. Dealers will update the combination meter software free of charge. Toyota says owners of affected vehicles will be notified, with US notifications planned to begin September 21 and be completed by early October 2026. And there's an important detail here. A recall doesn't automatically mean hundreds of thousands of cars are about to break down. A recall means the manufacturer has identified a safety or compliance issue and is taking action to fix affected vehicles. In this case, the problem may occur randomly during startup, according to the NHTSA filing. And that's actually one of the most interesting things about modern car reliability. People often imagine reliability as simply whether the engine lasts 200,000 miles. But modern reliability is much bigger than that. It's software, it's electronics, it's sensors, it's displays, it's communication between dozens of systems. A car can have an incredibly durable engine and still have a problem because one small electronic component doesn't behave the way it should. That's the irony of the modern Camry. Toyota built one of the world's most recognizable symbols of automotive reliability, then gave it enough technology that a software problem could potentially disable something as basic as a turn signal. So no, this recall doesn't suddenly mean the Camry is a bad car. It means that even the boring, dependable cars aren't immune to the complexity of modern automobiles. And maybe that's the real lesson here. The more technology we put into cars, the more ways there are for something tiny to go wrong. The Camry may still be one of the most sensible cars on the road, but apparently even the refrigerator of automobiles occasionally needs a software update.